Okay, hi, this is Tiffany Mitchell, and this is part 2 of my experiment this month. This is microbiology, week 4, and it is going to be on the methyl red test. So, of course, I got my area nice and sterilized. I had to get my 4 test tubes here, and I had to sterilize them by rinsing them in alcohol, and I also allowed them to dry throughout. I labeled my test tubes here, E. coli and S. epidermis here, okay? And then I also have my broth that I had from the last time, my MRVP broth of my E. coli, and then also my S. epidermis here. So I just want to show you here. Here is some of the growth here that I have for the S. epidermis, and then not much here on the E. coli. So I do see a little line circling in there, so I'm not sure if that's something there. After 48 hours, I didn't see much growth, so I did incubate it for another 24 hours, so that's a total of 72 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with my experiment. Okay. So after that, I am going to pour half of my broth in the labeled tube. I'm going to start off and just do my E. coli first, and then I'll do the S. epidermis later. So we'll take these here. So here's my E. coli broth. So I'm going to put half and half in each. And it says here that it should be about the same. I think I put a little bit too much, so I want to save some for the next experiment. So I'm just going to put some back there. Put that top back on. Okay. So, a little off there. Okay, a little more here. It's not that easy to get them kind of situated. All right, so I think I got it here. So we'll carefully put those back in here. All right, so my next step is to add some of the methyl red regimen here. Just make sure that's what it is. So I'm going to add 7 drops into both my tubes here. Or I'm sorry, just one tube. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So it says here I need to immediately observe my color. Okay. And then I'm going to add this to my lab report here. Okay. So as you can see, it did change colors there. Okay. And then I will take a picture and add that over. Okay. So I will do that in just a few minutes, but I want to do part 3 really fast with my other E. coli tube here. So with this one, I am to add 12 drops of the Barrett's A. Okay. So here's my Barrett's A regimen here. Okay. So I'm going to take my other tube and then add 12 drops in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. And I'm supposed to gently mix it by stirring the tube a little bit. Okay. So then I need to get the Barrett B regimen, which I have here. Okay. And then I am going to add 4 drops of that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then shake the tube gently for 30 seconds. And this is going to expose the continents to oxygen. Okay. So I'm going to place the tube in the test tube holder and let that sit for 30 minutes. After that, I will observe that see if there's any color change to that, and then record my information in my lab report. Okay, I think that's it. Thanks for watching.